Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the Ultraxxis 2-pack of 18-volt batteries for the Ryobi 18V. We're going to open them up, show you what they look like, test them out, and of course let you know whether or not they're worth buying. All right, so as we get the box open here, I just want to show you what they look like. Then we'll charge one up and test it out. So pretty standard. We're going to have just a easy to see kind of charging here. Comes 75% charged. We'll press in and out on the sides to get into the device. And again, these are meant to be 18 volt. And your charging plug is going to be kind of clicking in right there. So nothing spectacular. These will charge in your typical type of charger. So let's get to it. All right, so just going to show you the connection. I got my Ryobi sander here, and obviously going to be using the replacement battery. And as you can tell, it kicks in immediately with no issues. I do love, again, the ability to kind of tell where the battery levels are, which is a really nice feature. Kind of in the sun there, sorry. So totally worth buying to me. A great addition, having an extra 2-pack, especially when you use a tool a lot on big projects. Having to kind of charge in the process is part of it, and having multiple batteries is great, and having extra batteries is even better. So definitely worth buying. Hopefully this review helped, and thanks for watching.